to connect the Sonos Port? The Sonos Port is this tiny little box designed to bring all the benefits of Sonos to the biggest sound system, if Sonos speakers aren't enough for you. So the idea is that you can plug the port into a big amp, designed to play real high-fidelity speakers, to play the very same music as all the other Sonos speakers in your house. To connect it, nothing could be easier. You just take the RCA cable included in the box that you can connect from the RCA analog output at the back of the port to the input of your choice on your amp. By doing this, you will give to your big amp access to all music services compatible with Sonos. If you prefer to use the digital output, you can also do it with the digital coaxial output. The analog and digital output play the very same thing at the very same time. You can also use the port to connect any analog device and share it to all other Sonos speakers in your house. For example, a turntable, CD player, MP3 player, or just any device with an analog output. So by example, by connecting a turntable just right here, the turntable will be able to play in any other Sonos speakers in your house. Note that the Sonos Port is not designed to play audio-visual source, like a television or a computer, for example. As the port has to digitalize the analog input to redistribute it in perfect sync to all other speakers, there will be a slight delay. To listen to music, you will never realize it. However, if you watch a movie, there will be a lapse delay. If you're looking for a Sonos device to connect to your television, you're more likely looking for the Sonos amp or any soundbar made by Sonos. If you want to know more about this delay, you can take a look at this video. Finally, the small 12V connector that you can see at the back is a trigger. If you have an amp compatible with this technology, the Sonos Port will turn on your amplifier thanks to this connection every time you start to play something. The trigger cable is not included in the box, but you can order one with my link in the description. What else does it do? Nothing. That's all. So why is it this expensive? Well, there is absolutely no good reason. It is, in my opinion, the only Sonos device that have an unjustified price. But if you want to connect all the advantages of Sonos to your existing sound system, that's the only way. Oh, and about the network connector, you will notice there is two. They both doing exactly the same things. You can use whichever you want if you want to connect your Sonos Port to the network with a cable. You are free to use the second one to connect a second device to your network. Basically, it's a network switch. The Sonos Port can work very well wirelessly, but as always, I recommend to always have at least one Sonos device connected with a cable to the network. You can see more detail about this in this video. Finally, I was going to forget the most important cable, the power cord. And there you go, everything is plugged in. Finally, if you need help to configure it, you can take a look at this video. Enjoy! So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see my other Sonos tutorial, visit my link in the description or just right here. I have a lot of video on the subject. Also, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Maybe you'll give me an idea for the next video. If you're shopping for a new Sonos device, please see my link in the description, and you should also see my video how to choose the right Sonos device for you just right here. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!